Okay, tell me,
So,
how did you get Daddy in checkmate?
Pawns, 1, 2, 3 pawns were here. His king was in the corner. My rook is here. His rook was here. I took his rook, checkmate. See?
Why couldn't I move out?
Because there was 3 pawns in the way. And if you go there, you're still in check.
Right.
Do you remember the games that you play afterwards? Like, can you in your head, can you remember what the games looked like? Okay.
Someone, remember where you taught me, a boy can, remember just, knight to e4.
Yes. Knight to e4. I was telling you about the movie, Searching for Bobby Fischer. Yeah, he memorized. Do you know what e4 means?
Yeah, the square on the chessboard.
How do you know which one's e4?
The 4th leg and the square that's e.
So, from A, B, C, D. Is that right? Wow. Yeah, so that little boy I was telling you about was able to memorize. He memorized all of the board positions, and then he could remember where they would go. Do you like chess?
Yeah.
Cool.